Welcome to HMS, particularly to ECH and CPEE. Well, for those of you who are still wondering what these acronyms mean, ECH refers to the Diploma in Early Childhood Education and CPEE refers to Diploma in Child Psychology and Early Education. Our new diploma that's making its debut in the new academic year, next April. Well, without further ado, let me present you the HMS Puppetry and Storytelling Club. Sit back, relax and enjoy.
Hey Sophie, why do you look so gloomy?
I don't like school. I think my teacher thinks I'm lazy. He's always scolding me. And at home, my mom always scolds me for drawing. I don't know what to do, Ben.
Aw, don't be sad, Sophie. Cheer up. Hey, I've got this interesting book. Would you like to see it?
Books? No, I hate books.
Hi, Mr. and Mrs. Lim. Congratulations! Sophie has made the school proud by winning top prize in a logo competition.
What the boy? She's so lazy at home.
Yes, I have to nag at her every single day just to make her study and do her homework.
Well, Sophie is actually not a lazy girl. She may need some help in her studies, but then she will do just fine. And she enjoys drawing. Even if she may not excel in her studies, she does very, very well in arts.
Hiya, but that's only arts, what? What use does it have? Right, darling?
Actually, I was lost at acting.
Actually, it was so nice talking to you, Mr. Lim.
I know,
nice.
I know that.
Mrs. Lim, by encouraging and helping Sophie excel in what she does well, that may help to boost her self-esteem, and that could help her improve her studies as well. As her parents and her teacher, we have to help Sophie overcome her problem, and at the same time, to help her pursue her interest.
Wow, I've never thought about that. Maybe that will help her